Hi, welcome to my channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about the PhD admission notification. And guys, you can see this notification is basically related for the spring semester, means January session 2022. So we are going to discuss about NIT, IIT and IISER as well as IIM. So this institution has released the notification for PhD admission session January 2022. And please like and share this video and subscribe my channel for further such kind of information. Okay, so let's see the discussion about this. So you can see here the first notification is from IIT Patna. So IIT Patna released the notification for PhD admissions. So department you can see here: chemistry, chemical and biochemical engineering, civil and environmental engineering, as well as computer science and engineering, electrical engineering, humanities and social science, metallurgical and materials engineering, mathematics, mechanical engineering, physics. So this department has released the notification for PhD, and further information they have given here for category of admission for part-time, full-time, and what will be the institute fellowship related, all the information they have given, and related for GRF, SRF, all the information they have mentioned. If you are interested to apply in this institute, then you can read the information thoroughly and you can apply here. Okay, so lots of department has released the notification for PhD, and you can see your category, and according to the category you will get some relaxation, and you can apply here. And they have mentioned here application procedure and fee they have mentioned. Okay, so all the information they have given, just go through that and you can apply. Okay, so next we will discuss about, you can see here, National Institute of Technology Tiruchirappalli. So this notification has come from NIT Tiruchi, and related information they have given here for full-time and part-time candidate who are interested for PhD session, for PhD admission in January session 2022. And all the information related to PhD, all the information they have given, I will provide you in the description box. I will provide the PDF to all the institute in the description box. You can go through that and you can check it and you can apply. Okay, and they have mentioned here application fee and important date. You can see here the last date here will be November 30, 2021, and it has been already started on November 1, 2021. Okay, and tentative schedule for written test or interview they have mentioned here. If you are interested, then you can apply. So here you can see the department and corresponding related to the number of vacancies, so they have given here. Just go through that and you can apply. Okay, next we will talk about the PhD verification, which comes from IIM Ahmedabad. So guys, this institution has released the notification in the various department, as you can see here: agriculture, economics, finance and accounting, his human resource management, information system, innovation and management in education, marketing, organizational behavior, production and quantitative methods, public system and strategy. So this department has raised the PhD admission notification, and here what will the entry qualification they have mentioned, and selection procedure they have mentioned here. Okay, and specialization they have given here, as you can see on the screen. And here they have mentioned for the fellowship related how much you will get the fellowship after the admission. Okay, and what will be the last date, you can see here. So online application date has been already started on September 13, and the last date of submitting online application will be January 17, 2022. So if you are interested, then you can apply here. Okay, next you can see here this notification has come from IISER Kolkata. And guys, this institution has released the notification in the various department, as you can see here: biological science, chemical science, computational and data science, earth science, humanities, social science, physical science, CAFM, mathematics and statistics. And important date they have given here, and a frequently asked question they have bulletin they have mentioned here. So if you want to see the important date, so you can click here and you can check the important date. So you can see here, PhD application portal open 21st September 2021, and application portal will be closed on 15th of November 2021. Okay, and all the date and the process they have mentioned here, you can check the detail. Okay, and if you are interested, then you can go through that. You can see here department. Okay, department they have mentioned here. So I hope this information will be helpful for you, and please subscribe my channel for the such kind of information related to the PhD admission as well as assistant professor recruitment. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.